Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do just a really chill vlog style video. I was just doing some editing back there, as you guys can see, and I just had an itch to film that video. I definitely need to continue working on because I wanna have it up either tonight or tomorrow. I feel so terrible about my upload schedule recently. Sorry, my hair looks crazy. I just have it back in like this half up, half down, and this is like my natural hair that I'm rocking today, but I've really been bad with my upload schedule. I just find it so hard to actually like find time to edit my videos nowadays. I actually touched more on my upload schedule in this video. It was like a chit chat, get ready with me, answering the questions that you guys asked me on my social media, but I was kind of just getting a little bored of editing. I definitely needed to take a break, and I had an itch to film. I did get a new phone recently. I got the iPhone 8 Plus, and now I feel like since I have the new phone, I can do like little occasional vlogs for you guys, which I really used to like to do, but the quality of my iPhone 6 was just getting worse and worse. The audio wasn't great, the video wasn't great either, like the quality. But today I figured that we could do a little vlog. I just got my October Boxycharm in, and instead of doing a full dedicated video, because I have a lot of those on my channel recently, I figured we could just do like a little vlog style. Like, it's not a first impression because I already opened it, but just kind of swatch, kind of read about some of the products. And then I also got in a PR package, so I figured maybe we could open that together. I'm not sure how you guys feel about PR unboxings. Personally, I really like them. If I show you guys PR packages in this video, of course, it's definitely not to brag. I just thought it would be fun to kind of open some stuff. I really like watching unboxing videos and to get a feel of like what you guys would want to see in like a dedicated review, if you guys want to see any of these products like more in depth reviewed on my channel. But I just thought it would be fun, so please don't take it in a bragging way. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit, and yeah, but then after I have to get back to editing. If I come back on this vlog a different day, I am expecting a couple more packages this week, so I'll maybe come back and share those with you guys as well in this video and just edit it in from a different day. But I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing this super chill vlog style unboxing, and let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so first things first, like I mentioned, I have my October Boxycharm. I have opened this already, and I have kind of seen some sneak peeks online, but I figured that I could just like really go through it together. I haven't like opened anything, looked at any colors, or really opened anything up. So the first thing that's in here is the actual card, and the theme of this month's box is alter ego. This is actually my last Boxycharm that I'm getting. I only had the 3-month subscription, so this should be the last one in October. I got August, September, and October, so it just has like a little coupon on there. I believe that It's Superhero Cosmetics mascara is in there, and that's why there is the coupon. So the first thing in here that I have been seeing in a couple of people's videos that looks really interesting is this mask. This is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I've been seeing this, and I'm like kind of intrigued to try this, but kind of scared at the same time. So basically, from the videos that I've been watching and the reviews that I've been seeing, it's like a peel off mask, but the actual mask comes in like a little tube, and then there's like a lace sheet that has like the cutout for your face, and you kind of stick it on top of the mask, and then when you peel off the lace, it peels off the mask with it, if that makes any sense. Like, super interesting. I definitely have to try this out. I have sensitive skin, so trying new face masks and stuff kind of freaks me out, but I don't know if you guys can see just the steps. So you do the actual mask, then you put the lace mask over and kind of pat it down, put it over your ears, your neck, and then after 20 minutes you can peel it off, and it'll take the mask off and kind of pull up the gunk out of your skin. So definitely really interesting. I haven't seen anything else like this really. I mean, I could totally just have skipped over it, but this is the first that I've seen like a lace face mask like this. So I'm definitely really intrigued to try this out. I also got a hair product in this month's Boxycharm, which I was actually surprised because I hadn't received any hair products in my last 2 Boxycharms, but I'm actually really excited to try this. I've been wanting not to try this specific one, but something along these lines. So this is a Briogeo, I think that's how you say it, Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So I think this is kind of like a spray conditioner. It could help you brush your hair out after the shower or anything like that. So let's see. Spray throughout freshly washed and damp hair with focus on the mid-length and ends. Comb through and do not rinse out, air, or blow dry, and style as usual. Okay, yeah, this is definitely what I've been looking for. Sometimes even after I do a really good conditioner in the shower, Sometimes I do have trouble getting my wet brush through my hair because it is just really tangled. So I'm excited to try this. My ends definitely need more moisture. I have a really oily scalp and very dry ends. So I'm definitely always looking for something to moisturize my ends, and I definitely think this would come in handy. If any of these products are like huge standout products for me, you guys, I will definitely update you guys in a future favorites video or something like that, but I will definitely keep you updated on those. So next up, something in here that I was really excited when I saw. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, and it's the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Now I have tried these before and they were like either my friends or like a sample or something, but I've been wanting one for a long time so I could really just have my own and test it out, because I feel like liquid lipsticks are something that you need to test out a few times and then you're like, oh, I really like that, or I really hate it, it's really dry or whatever. And I was so excited. I got the shade Bow and Arrow. I don't know if you guys can see if it'll focus on there, but this is like one of her most popular shades, and I like this a little bit more than Lolita. Let me see if I could do this with one hand. Hold on, I have to open it. So here's what the shade looks like, and I've always liked this a little bit more than Lolita because if you guys know me, you know I love a peachy brownie nude. I love a good mauve, but I feel like something a little bit more warm tone like this is just a little bit more complimentary on my skin tone, and I'm so excited to try these. Like I said, I've heard great things about the formula, and I'm so happy that I got this color. Let me do a quick swatch for you guys so you could see what it looks like actually open. So here's a swatch of Bow and Arrow. This looks so much like Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K. It looks like a little bit more warm tone. It has like a hint, like a slight more of a peach undertone in there compared to Dolce K, but this is the most beautiful color. This is so up my alley, and I feel like if the formula on this is good, which I've heard great things, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this for the fall. So I'm really excited that I got that in my box. Let me see, I believe that is like more already than like what the box is worth. Let me see if I can open up the card and see how much it is. Here it is. Yeah, so that's $20, and Boxycharm is $21 a month. So that right there is already worth it. Briogeo spray is $16, and that mask was $30. Wait, what? That one mask is $30? That literally better be like the best thing ever for a $30 sheet mask. Wow. Oh, you get two in there. But still, $15 for one mask is really expensive, like one sheet mask. You can get sheet masks at Sephora for like a couple of dollars. So I'm definitely gonna have to test that out and see if it's worth it, because that's really, really expensive. Next thing that I'm really excited about is the Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. I've heard great things about this as well. I don't think I'm gonna open it up because I'm working on using up a mascara right now, and I don't wanna open this one up and like make it dry out. But this looks really good. I've heard great things, and I'm excited to try this out. I'm always down to try a new mascara. I feel like I'm gonna really like this, but I do have really picky lashes, and I love a good drugstore mascara. So when it comes to things that I replace often, whether it be like mascara or liquid liner or something like that, I always try to keep it drugstore because I know I'll need a new one like every 2 to 3 months, and if I could spend $8 every 2 months opposed to $24 every 2 months, then I'd rather do that. But let's see how this works out for me. Again, I will keep you guys updated. And the last thing in the Boxycharm for October is this Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I've gotten a palette pretty much every single month that I've had Boxycharm, I'm pretty sure. The first month in August that I had it, I had the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. I believe I still have it. I haven't opened it yet. Let me see. I usually keep it in this bottom drawer of palettes, which is obviously overflowing right now. Yeah, I still have it right here. So this is the one that I got in my August Boxycharm, and I have not opened this yet or even swatched it, but as you guys can see, there I am in the mirror. But as you guys can see, that yellow shade and that blue shade had like some little markings on it, so I don't know if it was just scratched up from the plastic sheet, but I still have to try this out. I ideally wouldn't use shades like this, but I figured that maybe it could be nice for like a pop of color or something if I ever needed one. But this palette is okay. I honestly wasn't super blown away when I was seeing it in videos or reviews online. Definitely feel like the shade range of this is a little strange. I'm having trouble opening this up. Let me see. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see okay. This half is face products. I believe it's highlighters and blushes, and then this half is eyeshadow. So, and it's like a little dusty too. I think it kind of not broke, but just like some dust from the shadows came off. But I don't know if you guys can see, I feel like this color story doesn't make much sense to me. Let me see if I hold it this way, if you'll be able to see the colors. a little bit better, like right there. I feel like this color story doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. The one shade that stood out to me is that silver on the top left and the olive green, but I feel like some of the blushes are warm and the shadows are really cool. I'm not totally obsessed. I feel like maybe this would be a cool Halloween palette, but I'm definitely gonna give it a try and let you guys know. I just thought the actual color selection right off the bat was a little strange, but I think the packaging is really cute. It's super lightweight and I love the actual white and gold of the packaging. All right, so if I did my math correctly, the value of this month's Boxycharm was $128. I hope I did that math right, but I will definitely double check myself and put it on the screen if I'm right or not. I did it a couple times and it came out to $128. That is so much money and so much good product in here. I feel like this month's box was definitely the highest value-wise that I've ever gotten in the past 3 months. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing that little unboxing. Like I said, I've just really been wanting to do like a little bit more vlogging here and there, and oh my gosh, I love this color of this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I think it's gonna be awesome, but I really have to get back to editing the video that I've been working on. It is, like I said, a chit chat, get ready with me, answering your questions and just telling you guys stuff that you want to know about my life. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to that, and maybe I'll be back in a few days to show you guys more packages depending on how stuff goes. I'm a little iffy about uploading this video, but I just do them because I want to get a feel for how you guys like feel about me talking about free product, and also if there's anything I get that you guys are super interested in and you really want me to try out and do a review. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you in a few days. All right, so let's just get into the PR. I was just watching Friends because I was having some trouble like with the lighting, so I just took a quick break, but now we are going to get into what I've actually been receiving in my PO box and all of that good stuff. So I just have my softbox on. Like I said, it's so dark today, but if you guys have been watching my recent videos, then you know I have received cases from Chroma before. But right after I actually did that video, I got a new phone. Like I said, I got the iPhone 8 Plus, and the cases that I was showing in that video were for the iPhone 6. And I was super bummed because I love those cases so much, and I was like, oh, I can't use these anymore. So I actually just reached back out to Chroma and asked if they would be willing to send me a new case for my iPhone 8, and they told me totally, and that I could even pick 2, which I thought was so sweet of them and so nice. I've literally had such a good experience with their brand. So these are the 2 frames that I picked out. They told me to pick 1 frame and 2 back plates, but I told them that I loved the blush pink that I picked for my iPhone 6, but I thought I was gonna get the black this time for my new phone, and they went ahead and sent me both, which was so sweet. So here's what the blush pink one looks like. Really pretty. I loved having this on my phone as well, but now since I have the white and gold phone opposed to the black and space gray phone, I thought that maybe the black would be like a little bit more of a contrast on the white phone, and I'm really excited to put these on. You guys, these cases are such nice quality. I'm not just talking about them because they were sent to me. I'm talking about them because I really love the quality of them, and I think they're so cute and convenient. So the 2 back plates that I picked out, this is one of the same ones that I talked about in my favorites video, All I Need Is Coffee and Mascara. This one just describes my personality and everything that I like, literally to a T. I love this one a lot, and I think this will go really nice with the blush pink. And then this one I picked out, can you guys tell I love coffee? It says I am a coffee lover. I thought that this was so cute, and I usually like black and pink and stuff that's a little more neutral, but I thought that this was so fun, and I thought for the black frame that these would go really nice together and it would look super cool on my phone. So I can't wait to switch into this case. Right now I have a different case on my phone that I think I'm gonna keep on for a little bit longer, but right after I'm kind of bored of this one, which you guys know you get bored of phone cases too. Don't lie, it happens to everyone. I'm totally gonna switch into these. So really happy that I have more of these. Thank you so much to Chroma for sending me more for my new phone. I can't wait to put these on. This next package right here is from Grandma Told Me, and I love this box. When I got this, I thought, wow, that's so cute. It says Hair Force 1 has arrived, and this is from Grandma Told Me. They reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their hair growth mask. Now I'm typically not looking for something for hair growth because my hair grows pretty easily and it's pretty healthy, but I do feel like I could always use something that'll like moisturize my ends. And when I was reading up, this just sounded like it had really great ingredients in it, natural ingredients, that it would be healthy for the hair. So I figured, why not? I would totally test it out. My hair is a little funky in the sense that it's really oily at the top but dry at the bottom, so I figured if maybe some of these ingredients could balance out my hair or just make it healthy, add just like good raw ingredients in it, I would be totally down to try it out. So here's a little card that came with it. I think they're just like a cute little indie brand. This is their information on the back right here. And then these are the ingredients. So egg yolk, rosemary, peppermint, kaolin clay, and stinging nettle, which I believe is some sort of plant or something. And then just the information. The bottle and the packaging on this is adorable. I believe that you just mix like equal parts of the mask and equal parts water, and it'll make the paste that you put in your hair. So just such a cute little glass bottle, 5 ingredients. Yeah, mix 3 tablespoons of powder with equal parts water into a smooth paste. Massage lightly onto dampened hair from root to end and let mask sit for 10 minutes. I'm really excited to try this out, you guys. I haven't always been super into hair, but I really want to start taking care of it more, and I'm really excited to try this out. And also I thought this was so cute because this little wooden spoon reminded me of my grandma, and I thought it was so cute just to mix everything. I love the packaging and the concept. So definitely let me know if you guys want a follow-up on this product, and I can definitely do that. But for now, I'm just excited to test it out. And lastly here, you guys, this is from the brand Duval, I believe is how you say it, and this is their Radiance Spin Care System. I was really excited when they reached out to me as well. I had never heard of the brand before, but when I clicked on the link of what they wanted to send me, I was excited because I've always wanted to try like a cleansing brush like this, but I never got around to it. So something like the Clarisonic, or I always saw dupes in like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, but I never got around to trying it, and I feel like I could really benefit from something like this. There's only so much like scrubbing and exfoliating you could do with your own hand. So I'm really excited to try this out. So like I said, this is their Radiant Spin Care System, and it comes with the brush, and then you get the pumice stone. I think I'm saying that right, which is this right here. I'm not exactly sure what that does, but I will definitely put it on the screen or down below and let you guys know. And then you also get the facial exfoliation brush, the large body, oh, that's a body brush. I didn't know that that was a body brush. I was wondering why that was so huge. That's cool though. I've never seen one come with a body brush before. And then also the facial cleansing brush. So definitely excited to try this out. This is a little bit more on the pricey side, but I still want to test this out because I feel like it could really be helpful for my skin. So this is that system. And I guess the brush is also water resistant. And yeah, it just looks really nice. Like I said, if I feel like something could be of benefit to you guys, I totally want to share it with you, and I will keep you guys updated once I go ahead and test this stuff out. But those are the 3 boxes that I wanted to show you guys that I've received in PR recently. I feel like this is gonna sound cheesy, but a part of me can't believe that companies like see my channel and they're like, oh, we really like her content, let's send her some product. I don't know, it just is like really surreal, and I wouldn't be here without you guys. So please don't take this in a bragging way. You guys are the only reason that getting little things like this is possible, and I feel so, let me turn the camera around so you guys can see me. Like I was saying, you guys, none of this would be possible without you guys watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. You guys are giving me a platform to do what I love and to be able to receive products and test out products. So it's really all because of you guys. I definitely want to do many giveaways in the future to try to give back to you guys and all of that good stuff. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this video. That is going to conclude this little PR and October Boxycharm unboxing. Definitely let me know if you guys enjoyed and if you guys want to see more in the future. But if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. Make sure you guys have on my notifications. That way you will get notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.